If you're a service-based business and want to spend more time with your clients, here's a way to streamline your back office. I'll be sharing Dubsado tips and tricks for service-based businesses. By the way, this video isn't sponsored by or endorsed by Dubsado, but does contain an affiliate link. I may receive a commission at no extra cost to you if you click through my link or use my code to make a purchase. Hi, I'm Tramel. I am a career coach, and I've been working in personal and professional development for the last 20 years. I help women who feel stuck at work regain their power and career trajectory. I offer 3 services: resume writing, one-on-one coaching, and group training. In the past, I hated having this conversation. Let's meet to talk more. Are you free on Monday? No? What about Tuesday? No? What about Wednesday? No? What about Thursday? By this time, your client is either frustrated or has mentally moved on. The easy fix for this is to use a scheduler. I used to offer an hour-long discovery call. I spent that hour trying to figure out my client's problem and come up with a solution on the spot. It was stressful and unproductive. Now, I require that my clients answer key questions prior to our meeting. I can tell by the way they answer these questions where their issues are, how to solve them, and how serious they are about hiring me. In the past, I manually sent out my emails to clients, but since I was often with other clients or with my daughter, I wouldn't see messages until the end of the day. By the time I responded, clients had booked with my competition. I was able to fix all these problems with one solution: Dubsado. Dubsado offers forms and templates, invoicing, automation, project and client management, scheduling, reporting, and more. But I'll share with you the top 3 things I use that have changed the way I run my back office. I use schedulers for everything. Here's what my client sees. Using a scheduler allows my clients to find time that works for them and no more double booking for me. I'm able to embed schedulers on my website or link from any of my social media accounts. It means I spend less time communicating about when to communicate and spend more time discussing my client's actual problem. Here's my view. I have an unlimited number of schedulers available to me. I have full control over my availability. I can link my schedulers to my work calendar, so it always checks to see if I'm free before allowing clients to book me. And I require that clients complete my customized survey before they book my time. These forms give me insight to the client's needs, and I can be sure I'm prepared prior to our meeting. Here's what the client sees. I ask questions that help my clients self-select. Clients get a preview of what to expect when we talk, and I can ask open-ended questions so that clients reveal more about themselves than a yes or no answer can offer. Here's my view. The drag and drop tools make it simple to add and remove elements. It's fully customizable, even allowing me to add pictures like my logo or branding. And I can even request clients to upload documents for me to review prior to our meeting. For the first 6 years of my business, I worked another job full-time and wasn't able to get back to clients right away. I sent a lot of responses at 8 or 9 p.m. But with automation, clients get email confirmations right away or receive instant downloads no matter what time it is. I'm even able to send out reminders based on the time frame I've chosen, 1 hour before a meeting or 15 minutes before a meeting. One more thing, my clients have access to a client portal. This is a hub that holds all their contracts, invoices, emails, documents, and forms. Because of this, I'm able to offer electronic storage for all my clients' resumes and drafts. At this point, Dubsado is my favorite CRM. Now, I've got to be honest with you, there are plenty of CRMs out there, and it's important for you to choose the one that best fits you. I'm just talking to you about Dubsado because it's what works for me. Again, this video isn't sponsored. Dubsado hasn't paid me to give an opinion, but I do have an affiliate link to share with you. I may receive a commission at no extra cost to you if you click through my link or use my code to make a purchase, but you'll also receive a percentage off of your first month or your first year. You can look in the description for the link and the code. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.